Oh, your game is still called Bullet Paint. Yes, please start.
Hi, we are Team 96 and I am producer Shogun and this is technical director Kyung-Ba and this is lead designer Sang-Kim.
Oh, 96.
And let's start any presentation. At first, we are going to make a puzzle game with cannon shooting flag to change puzzle's color. But after having meeting with Professor David, we changed our plan. As you can see on PPT, before you needed to shoot flag to change the puzzle's color, but now there is no cannon. We are going to make a game that is solely focused on puzzles because it's just a puzzle game. And this is our core mechanic. This is our core game mechanic. Is color changing system. When you click a circle thing on the bottom side of the puzzle, then vertical portion of the puzzle change each color. And when you click a circle thing on the left side of the puzzle, then horizontal portion of the puzzle change each color. Implementing this was the hardest thing doing the in-game project. And this is our game flow. The first thing you will see is the start menu. And on the start menu, there is nothing but a start button and quit button. You can click start to start playing game. Otherwise, you can click it to exit. And when you win the stage, you go to the next stage. And when you lose, you will see game over screen. But you can restart by clicking restart button, or you can exit the game by pressing quit button.
Okay, I will show you our game demo. This is a start menu, and you click start button to play the game. As Chio explained, when you press circuit thing on the left side, the horizontal color changes. And when you click the circuit thing on the bottom, then the vertical color changes like this. And here, this show you how many chances you have left. So you click it and then remain lessons. It becomes 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you lose. If the number it becomes 0. And this thing is the answer, and you have to match the puzzle's color with its answer's color. And then you see the win menu. And since there is only one stage, there is nothing you can do with it. And you can exit the game by pressing ESC button. Also, I explained with demo. Win condition is to match the puzzle's color with each answer on the right top side of the screen, and then you lose when you are run out of the. So you lose when you are run out of the chance.
I'll talk about our technical risks. So one of our technical risks is project managers that we need to make. And since we don't have project manager now, so it's hard to make various level. So we need to make it as soon as possible. So second technical risk is epic risk. So this is an example of how the puzzle can become more complex. making color changing mechanism for such puzzle can be fairly complex since there are empty spaces between puzzles and color changes system affecting two puzzles at once. Is there any questions?
Are you going to make puzzle with only with square or other shape? Shape.
Yeah, we'll change the shape.
Okay.
So talking about the overall shape of the puzzle or
Yes.
the tiles?
Overall.
Oh, okay. I think I already have some potential solutions to your risks on how to do this. One, now that we saw Hoon's Excel thing, I think you have a map editor. So that's going to be really. I think your worry about how to solve some of these risks. I think there's a simpler solution than you realize. So we can definitely talk about it afterwards. One of the things you can do for your main menu is you can literally do your game, your main menu like your game. So in some ways, your main menu can feel like a puzzle, like the feel of it. But you have a potential to use this theme throughout your entire experience of your game, from the menus to the win state to the lose to the options. All that stuff can be done using a very similar theme that you are trying to build for your game already. So we'll talk more about that. I think you have a lot of potential to have a very high polished game. Since the nice thing is, although it seems simple, we said last time there's so many things you can consider just changing a little bit, and the game gets a very big change, although the change is very small that you did. But yeah, I'll talk to you more about it. Looks like we'll have a little bit of time after the presentation, so I'll try to talk to some teams, but we should do some planned team-on-ones after this presentation to help you guys kind of consider what else you can do to improve your project. Okay? But I like what I saw today. Thank you.